Hi, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the topic, the module 3, the phase equilibrium topic is solubility of partially miscible liquids. What do you mean by a partially miscible liquid? It is a pair of liquid is considered partially miscible if there is a set of composition over which the liquid will form a two-phase liquid system. For example, is such a water and vegetable oil. It's a common situation and is general case for a pair of liquid where one is polar and another one is non-polar. And common example is the combination of diethyl ether and water, and these two another commonly used in the organic chemistry laboratory is an example for partially miscible liquids. And the partially miscible liquids are classified based on the temperature. They are classified into four. There are four types of partially miscible liquids. That is, partially miscibility increases on increasing temperature. Example: phenol water, aniline water, cyclohexane methanol system. Partial miscibility, that is, increases with the increasing the temperature. Another type of system, partial miscibility increases on decreasing the or lowering the temperature. Diethylamine water, triethylamine water system is an example for it is a its partial miscibility increases on lowering the temperature. Another type of system, partial miscibility increases on both increasing as well as decreasing, lowering the temperature. Water nicotine system is an example for such type of system, shows complete miscibility both above and below certain temperature. And complete miscible temperature cannot be obtained on that type of system, and example is either water system. That is the four types of partial miscibility, partially miscible liquid system. And one important is related to the temperature at which the partial miscibility occur, and that temperature is known as critical solution temperature or controlled temperature. When when two partially miscible liquids are mixed and shaken together, we get two solutions of different composition. Above a particular temperature, such solutions are completely miscible in all proportions, and that particular temperature is known as critical solution temperature or controlled temperature. For example, on shaking phenol and water, we get two layers. One upper layer is water in phenol, and another one is layer solution of phenol in water at a fixed temperature. The composition of each solution is fixed. Both solutions are in equilibrium, and that particular temperature is known as critical solution temperature. There are two types of critical solution temperature, and one is upper critical solution temperature (UCST) or and lower critical solution temperature. The critical solution above which all the components of which are miscible in a all proportion, and that temperature is known as, or that type of system is known as upper critical solution temperature. And aniline and water is shows critical solution temperature 168 is an example for upper critical solution temperature system. Next is lower critical solution temperature LCST, and the temperature below which the components of which are miscible for all compositions, and that is known as lower critical solution temperature. For example, the system triethylamine water has a LCST of 19 degrees Celsius. So that means these two substances are miscible in all proportion below 19 degree Celsius, but not at higher temperature, and that type of systems are known as upper critical solution temperature. Some system shows both upper critical solution temperature and lower critical solution temperature. Nicotine water is an example for such type of systems, and that shows upper critical solution temperature and lower critical solution temperature. And the components of nicotine and water is miscible in all proportion below 61 degree Celsius and above 210 degree Celsius. And this type of systems are known as the system that shows upper critical solution temperature and lower critical solution temperature. And come to the an example for partial miscible liquids, and that is one example is phenol water system. And this is the equilibrium partial miscibility curve of phenol water system. Uh, and this curve we show is phenol. Initially, the percentage of phenol is zero, and water is 100 percentage, and the percentage of phenol increases, and phenol percentage is 100, and water is 0 percentage. Let's say gram and phenol percentage is 0 to 100 percentage, and water is 100 to 0 percentage in between this curve. And the y-axis, that is the temperature. And if you study the curve in phenol water system, on and shaking these two liquids with each other, there's a solution of different composition. One of phenol in water and another one is water in phenol is obtained. That is known as conjugated solutions. When addition is phenol is continued, a point in reached where phenol does not dissolve anymore. At this point, two liquid phases are formed, one consisting of water saturated with phenol, another containing phenol saturated with water. But at particular temperature, that is, or particular temperature at 68.1 degrees Celsius and 36.1 percentage of phenol, and that is known as critical solution temperature of the phenol. And this particular solution, above this particular solution, it is completely miscible in each other, and that is the critical solution temperature of a phenol water system. And from this graph, there is the regions are divided into x, xz, y1, y2. Then what do you mean by x? X is which curve the two system consist of two layers, that is conjugate solution. In this X region, the system containing both phenol and water solution. And Y1 is the mixture will consist only one solution, that is unsaturated solution of phenol in water. And Y2, the system, the unsaturated solution of water in phenol. And further addition of phenol in Y1 ultimately result in separation of two phases. And Z is the above the curve, and it is one homogeneous phase. That is the four different regions in the curve. And at a fixed temperature, such as for a 30 degrees Celsius, the composition of each layer is fixed as indicated by the point A1. A is composition of aqueous layer and A dash is the composition of phenol layer. The line joining these A and A dash is known as tie line. At critical solution temperature, at any point, for example, the point at C, the relative weight of two separate layers are given by the relation uh, mass of water rich layer divided by mass of phenol rich layer by, that is equal to A1C, A1C by AC. In that way, we can, that is the importance of the tie line, we can find the composition of at any point or at any point in the tie line. The composition of phases in two-phase region is not same. To find the composition of individual phase in two-phase region, line you can draw, that is known as tie line. That is the critical solution temperature of phenol water system. Next is triethylamine water system. Another example, triethylamine water system. There are some liquid pairs. Example, triethylamine water, for which decreases with the rise in temperature. The solubility, mutual solubility decreases with the rise in temperature. As the temperature is decreased, the mutual solubility increases, and below the consolidated temperature, two liquids become miscible in odd proportion. That is, above 291.5 Kelvin, 18.5 degrees Celsius, triethylamine two layers are formed, but below 291.5, triethylamine water completely miscible with each other, and that is the critical solution temperature of triethylamine water system. And the system possesses lower critical solution temperature. That is, triethylamine water system is an example for lower critical solution temperature system. Next is nicotine water system. Nicotine water system shows both UCST and LCST, upper critical solution temperature and lower critical solution temperature. These liquid pairs are completely miscible above a certain temperature and below a certain temperature. The upper critical solution and the That's why we get a curve like this. It possesses upper critical solution temperature and lower critical solution. If we draw a curve, and the upper critical solution temperature is 208 degrees Celsius, and lower critical solution temperature is 608 degrees Celsius, and the percentage and the critical solution temperature is formed at 34 percentage nicotine and remaining percentage of water. That is the nicotine water system. That is all about critical solution temperature and different types of partially miscible solubility of partially miscible liquid, phenol water system, nicotine water system, and triethylamine water system. Thank you.